I think camera glass of Samsung and Pixel has shattered. I can see some air in there. So hey guys, and it is time for the Warden Freeze test. We had the all-new iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung S23 Ultra and Pixel 10 Pro. We'll find out if these devices can survive rain, shower, and freezing environment. Yes, all these are fully functional, so no issue whatsoever. Speaker, camera, and USB-C charging works fine. So kicking things with rain and shower test, let's go. You guys can see all these are working fine, no issue at all. Samsung ultrasonic fingerprint worked great, so does Face ID on water. But Pixel fingerprint doesn't work fine when they swat on the display, something you all should know. Now water jet these devices and fill this faucet and see which one works. So Samsung had this S Pen inside which works like a magic wand, and the best part is it can make your Samsung device work underwater too. That is insane. Samsung and Pixel are showing sign of water in the Type-C port. Here wish there was some sort of warning in the iPhone too, so users will be careful before plugging in their charger. And now some water, some ice, and I'm gonna freeze it for 6 continuous hours. So here they are, and I'm scared right now cause water when frozen expand and put pressure on the glass. I think Samsung and Pixel glass shattered cause there are some sign of air on top of their camera glasses. So all these are looking great. These are some strong and best devices you can get right now. The camera and speaker are having some issues right now, so we'll let them dry for 24 hours and check back. So guys, it's been 24 hours and we'll check the camera, speaker. Plus. All these are working brand new, and I like how Pixel show a message that we can now use the Type-C port for charging. So guys, initially iPhone was not charging, but after restarting it started working again. So if you find an issue like this, just restart your device and it is all fine. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.